The Little Gardener. A little girl named Lila loved flowers and wanted a garden full of beautiful blooms. One day, her grandmother gave her a packet of seeds and told her, "These seeds will grow if you take care of them." Excited, Lila planted the seeds and watered them every day, eagerly waiting to see the flowers bloom. After a week, she became impatient. "Why aren't they growing, Grandma?" she asked. Her grandmother smiled and said, "Plants need time, sunlight, and a little patience. Keep taking care of them, and they will reward you." Lila continued her daily watering, and one morning she was thrilled to find tiny green shoots poking through the soil. Over the next few weeks, her garden blossomed, and Lila understood that some things are worth the wait. She learned that, just like her garden, other good things in life also take time to grow.